Hey y'all, today we're going to do a quick tour of a cabin we recently stayed in. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let's go!
Let's go, Johnny. Never thought he'd make it past the state line sign. Wichita raised, Denver was the finish line. Said, why leave home? This place is fine. Now he's missing flights in 3 new time zones. Traveling with Johnny, camera slightly crooked. Real deal, real view.
Okay, this is room tour of deck 10, cabin 500 on Wonder of the Seas. Here we go. It's an ocean view. As you can see, there's a huge window, very spacious. Here's Johnny in the middle of the window, looking out. It's at the very front of the ship, so we get to see where we're going. We're in port right now in Miami. There's the nice big couch, plenty of floor space to do activities, huge window, and there's 4 drawers there. They're all actually pretty deep. And over here is the refrigerator. Nothing in it, so we don't have to ask them to remove anything. Some deals. There's the TV. Johnny on the bed. There's one of the closets. Pretty big, not that many hangers. We might need to ask our room steward for some more. Over here on the side, on this side of the bed, there's an outlet, a regular outlet, and a USB outlet as well. And a little nightstand there. They do have these little hooks here you can hang stuff on. I did bring our hooks, but we might not need to use those. It's a regular outlet here and a USB, phone. This closet is a little bit smaller because it has cubbies in it, and oh, maybe that's where all the hangers are, and a couple of drawers down here for all your stuff, and a safe. Not big enough for a laptop, for sure. Although I don't think I've ever been on a cruise where I saw a safe big enough for a laptop. Maybe a tablet. You do need a card to activate the lights. Our room steward has left one in here for us, so that's nice. I appreciate that. And here is the bathroom. Shower looks pretty standard. It does look pretty big though. Bigger than I've definitely seen on some other ones. It does have a shower wand which comes off, which is nice. And a footrest for shaving your legs or whatever else. Whatever you're gonna do with it. Normal toilet. Sink is a little small, but I'm not sure what we'd be doing in there anyways. And some shelves in here. Pretty standard bathroom.
Thank you for watching the channel, and please subscribe.